Hi guys, this is Maniram and today I am taking you guys behind the scenes of the most exciting events of this year 2024, the Google DevFest 2024 Hyderabad. Organizing this event was more than just a work and it was a journey of growth, challenges and unforgettable memories. From the moment I heard about DevFest 2024, I knew I had to be a part of it. With excitement and determination, I planned my way to Engineering Staff College of India in Gachibowli, ready to embark on a journey that promised innovation, inspiration, and an unforgettable experience. The journey began with simple yet powerful moment. Grabbing my organizing crew t-shirt. It wasn't just a uniform. It was a badge of responsibility and teamwork. Reminded me that I was a part of something meaningful. My first responsibility was managing the registration desk. Meeting over 800 participants as they checked in was incredible. Each person brought their unique energy and curiosity, setting the tone for an amazing day ahead. Once the registrations were done, I headed to the auditorium. Managing the seating and ensuring smooth transitions was no small task. But seeing the audience settle in for inspiring speaker sessions made it all worth it. The insights shared on the stage were nothing short of transformative. From managing the registrations to troubleshooting the last minute issues, the adrenaline kept us going. Seeing the excitement in the attendees made it all worth it.
Not just this, Victoria.
The event wasn't just about learning, it was about fun too, with the interactive quizzes in between and the exhibition session. But before that, let's have a huge shout out to all the speakers who have given a part in this event. Now let's peek into the exhibition area. Here the participants had the opportunity to showcase their gaming skills on MSI's high-performance laptops. The air buzzed with excitement as the attendees immersed themselves in thrilling gaming challenges, aiming to set records and claim bragging rights. The rewards added an extra layer of motivation. Winners walked away with cool MSI-themed prizes including the keychains and adorable toys. It was inspiring to watch everyone so deeply engaged, from tech enthusiasts to casual gamers, all united by the joy of exploration. The MSI session didn't just stand out, it became a memory that participants would carry with them. A perfect blend of learning and fun that embodied the spirit of the event. My favorite part, watching the people from diverse backgrounds, connecting with them and learning new stuff with the new people and sharing their ideas was very much being the greatest part of this entire event, and it reminded me why events like these matter so much to me. Now let's explore the dining section. After seeing a huge crowd there, my friends planned for a photo shoot. Let me introduce those diamonds now.
Time for a photo shoot.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
We even had a DJ session to elevate the vibe, but unfortunately the participation was very low. And finally, the grand conclusion, distribution of the swags to over 800 participants. Seeing their joy made all the effort worthwhile. And this experience pushed me out of my comfort zone. It taught me the resilience, problem solving and the importance of staying calm under pressure. And it's a chapter in my life that I'll always cherish about. And none of this would have been possible without an incredible team, support to mentors, our leads, and enthusiastic participants. A big shout out to everyone who have made this event a grand success. And finally the event has been concluded, guys. Everything was very awesome, and this was one of my greatest experiences of the Google events. And the final suggestion from my side is keep exploring, guys, keep exploring. And I have been a part of GDSC WOW 2023 as an attendee, and in 2024 I was a part of GDSC WOW as a volunteer, and in this 2024 for GDG Devfest I was a part of the organizing crew. I have explored many things, and my suggestion to you all, guys, is build networking, build your connections. If you haven't built any connections, just do it right now. Build 1 or 2 valuable connections every day. This video wouldn't be sufficient to share all the experiences which I have and which I would like to share with you all people. And what I would like to say is stay in touch with this channel where I could share my personal experiences which could be adding a little value to your career and your future. And yeah, guys, we all meet in the next video. Till then, keep exploring.